So it all started something like this. Well, I got excited, but it was a hard decision to make, but I made the right call. And I said yes.
Hello,
Hi,
what would you like to say to the world?
I don't have girlfriends. When I'm going to a trip, nothing else.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ ಕಣ ಪಾರೇಶನ್ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾವಾಗ ಓಪನ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಇರ್ತದೆ?
ನಾಳೆ ಫುಲ್ ಓಪನ್
Alaikum assalam. Salam alaikum.
This is the last image of the
Never
failure
loved
plan. Fail. Epic fail.
Bullshit.
I guess we just saw a lake while passing by, so we decided to go there and spend some time. So we just stopped for some street food and then we hit the road to hit some petrol, and then now we again are hitting the road to go back home. So yeah, I guess that is it. I pulled myself away from documenting such experiences just because it wasn't cinematic or thought it wasn't worth sharing. But the fact that I would like to place and leave you with is that maybe you didn't have cinematic moments, or maybe you just doubt yourself thinking that this is not what you want, or maybe it didn't turn out how you expected it to be. You don't need a perfect or cinematic experience to share. In fact, the word cinematic itself is a cliche. Anything that makes you relate to the event or takes you back to that moment is cinematic. I cannot stop explaining about how important it is to document yourself throughout the various phases of your life, but I would like to encourage you all to keep documenting, and maybe years later when you're down and you just go through your archives, you just find these moments and you remember that you cherish these moments and what you really are, and share your stories or just keep it safe somewhere in your archives. It will help. With that said, I will see you with more cinematic videos.
It's a relief after attending online classes and all the stuff. And it's obviously cool because it's with friends. We'll have more fun when we catch up with friends.
It's kind of good to hang out with friends and just go out, or even if it is a walk or somewhere close by. You don't have to go on a long trip as such, but it's kind of removing the clutter of your mind.